Welcome to Pythia Express, a simple yet powerful tool that analyzes your data, using statistical techniques, machine learning algorithms, and natural language processing, helping you understand the vital information hidden in your data. Either you are a student, a researcher, or a business analyst, Pythia Express is a necessary addition to your toolset. Let's get started by checking the free version. Try it now. No registration required. Starting with the analytics, we first upload our data and check the preview. Note that there are some restrictions regarding the file content. The supported files are CSV and Excel sheets. Use our templates, and adjust them accordingly. Data distribution gives us frequency plots that explain how are distributed the values of each of our numeric columns. The correlation analysis provides us a heat map with the correlation coefficients between our numerical variables. This helps us identify relationships between the features. The group analysis gets the first categorical and the first numerical column of our file, and provides us with statistics of the numerical column, for each unique value of the categorical column. For example, we can have price statistics for each product category. In our example file, we have house prices in different cities. From the distribution analysis, we immediately see that most of the houses in our data set cost between $180,000 and $355,000 US, while there is a significant proportion of the data with prices less than $180,000 US. Most of the houses have 2 or 3 beds, and 2 or 3 baths. Regarding the correlation analysis, we can see a strong correlation between square feet and number of beds. The price seems to have a medium correlation with the number of baths. Finally, from the group analysis we can focus on Sacramento, for example, and see that the price range is from $40,000 to $700,000 US with an average price of almost $200,000 US. For the natural language processing, we have gathered some tweets regarding COVID-19. The sentiment analysis option provides us a generic overview of the total sentiment in our tweets. The targeted sentiment, on the other hand, make a detailed analysis and identifies entities in the sentences as well as the sentiment referring to those entities. Note that the results may include too much information and a post-processing step is required. Now, let's see the additional features available for the subscribed users. Starting with the analytics section, we first read and accept the privacy policy. Based on our plan, we can see our data limitations in the data step. Here we can upload and manage our data sets. Note that while for the non-logged in users the data will be automatically deleted within 30 days, for the subscribed users they have the full control of the data. Here we can activate the data source of interest, or delete it when we are done with the analysis. We do not keep any copy of your data, so we cannot restore a deleted data set. Now that we have activated the data set of interest, we can proceed with the analysis setup. Here, we enable what kind of analysis we need to be conducted, and set up the respective configurations. In the statistical measures section, we can enable what kind of statistics we want to be computed and for which columns. The data exploration section allows us to check the distribution of the columns of interest. Check for missing values or check the correlation between specific features. In the results page, we have a text that explains the meaning of each section. This text is editable and can be adjusted before printing the results as a report. Each table of the results page can be copied and used in external reports or Excel sheets. To do that, use the copy button at the top right corner of the tables. Similarly, the charts can be downloaded to be used in external reports. Now that we have the results, we can see that the average price is about $230,000 US. But this is only for our sample data set. Is it safe to claim that the average price of the houses in the United States is $230,000? To check that, we can apply hypothesis tests. Let's assume for a moment that the prices follow a normal distribution, Then we can conduct a one sample t-test for the price column and set our hypothesis about the column. As we can see, our assumption is valid. The p-value being greater than 0.05 means that there is not enough evidence to reject our hypothesis, within a confidence level of 95%. For the NLP section we follow similar steps and get the respective results. This was an overview of Pythia Express Beta 2. Many new features are on the way, including explanation of the results through AI. Thanks for watching.